Team all kinds of muscle. Who you rolling with?
We are hopping in the R, baby. Ooh, first drive in the R.
You got her information?
Yeah.
I'd love to reach out to her.
That is a cool story, man.
If you happen upon it, definitely send it my way. I'd love to pick her brain.
Yes.
For sure.
Definitely. And that's why she kept everything in prestige.
Everything, and she had the books and everything in the trunk.
And I'm gonna do the same.
She wanted somebody else to have that experience. All right, my man, thank you. Gotta get in here and domify it, baby. I don't know if y'all just heard that or not, but the guy said that the owner of this car, which only has 8,000 miles on there, was a lady. Said her and her husband are out of Georgia and they have a ton of cars, all type of crazy cars. She even left all the books in the back. We got all the paperwork and everything. She wanted somebody else to have that awesome experience. The pops, bro. I can tell the suspension is way tighter in here too. Junior 606, Boosty Junior. Dom, your splitter good. We all, did you scrape? Yeah. I wonder if he even have it in the GPS. Way back from Jacksonville. Driving a little bit today, huh? Oh, y'all boys gonna show out today, huh? I think he wanted you to get over. Sit there and blip it like that on us? He gonna sit up there and tap it like that? Comfortable in that now, can you tell?